Imagine a wall of flames, hungry and fierce, licking at everything in its path. Terrifying, isn't it? The heat is unbearable, the smoke suffocating, and the roar of the fire is deafening. It's a scenario that no one wants to find themselves in, yet it's a reality that can strike at any moment. In such dire situations, the difference between disaster and safety often comes down to one crucial element: preparedness. But in this story, there are heroes. These heroes don't wear capes or masks. Instead, they are the silent sentinels standing guard in homes, offices, and factories. They are the fire extinguishers, always ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. They stand ready, filled with a secret weapon to combat the inferno. This weapon is a carefully formulated chemical mixture designed to smother flames and halt the spread of fire. The journey of creating these life-saving devices is one of precision, innovation, and rigorous testing. These heroes are fire extinguishers, and their creation is a journey of precision and care. From the initial design phase to the final quality checks, every step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure maximum effectiveness and reliability. Join me as we uncover the secret life of these everyday lifesavers. We'll explore the intricate processes involved in their production, meet the dedicated individuals who bring them to life, and understand the science that makes them so effective. This is the story of how we turn the tide against the wall of flames. Our hero's journey starts with raw materials. Strong steel forms the outer shell, a container capable of withstanding immense pressure. Inside, a carefully chosen agent lies dormant, ready to spring into action. This could be water, foam, powder, or even specialized gases, each with its own strengths. But the real magic lies in the details.
The steel cylinder is cut, shaped, and welded with meticulous precision. It undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can handle the pressure of its vital contents. Then comes the filling process. Each agent is carefully measured and dispensed into the cylinder, transforming it into a weapon against chaos. But there's a secret ingredient, something crucial to our hero's success.
Section 4. A secret ingredient. In the world of fire safety, every component of a fire extinguisher plays a crucial role. But there's one element that often goes unnoticed, yet it's absolutely vital. What could be more important than the extinguishing agent itself? You might think it's the chemical composition or the container, but there's something even more critical.
The answer lies in an invisible force: pressure. Pressure is the hidden hero that ensures the fire extinguisher works effectively when you need it the most. Using specialized equipment, the fire extinguisher is pressurized, creating the necessary force to propel the extinguishing agent out of the nozzle. This force is what allows the agent to reach the flames and combat a raging fire effectively. Without the right pressure, the agent would simply dribble out, rendering the extinguisher useless. This delicate balance of pressure is the key to the fire extinguisher's effectiveness. It's a fine-tuned process that requires precision and expertise, ensuring that when an emergency strikes, the extinguisher is ready to perform its life-saving duty.
Section 5. Guardians of the Flame. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating journey of fire extinguishers, the silent sentinels that stand guard over our safety. And there you have it, the secret life of a fire extinguisher. These essential devices, often overlooked, play a crucial role in safeguarding lives and property.
From humble beginnings as raw materials, such as steel sheets and chemical compounds, they undergo a meticulous transformation process. They are transformed into powerful tools that protect us from one of nature's most destructive forces. Each step in the assembly line is a testament to precision and dedication. Remember, these unsung heroes are more than just metal cylinders. They are the result of advanced engineering and rigorous quality control. They are the guardians of our safety, silently standing guard, always ready to spring into action when a fire breaks out, ready to act in our moment of need. Each extinguisher undergoes stringent testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of safety and reliability. So the next time you see a fire extinguisher, remember the journey it has taken to be there, ready to protect you.